The next part is the bottom of the iPhone, which actually there is a place for charging and also the mic and a speaker. So how it look like? Actually we have this place, this screw and this part. So first let's make the holes. From here I'm going to use the rectangle and create one rectangle here, and there's a corner, let it go inside so much. Keep it here, and another is one circle here, and make sure this is in the middle. So just put it down and align it just with one direction with the center, not this. Okay, Y position and circle. Let's see how it is. Size 2.1 and 6.5, and this one 1, and let it be aligned to middle of this one also. Okay, and then the next one, again we can use this rectangle, just change the size. It should be in the middle of this part. Let's see the picture. I think 0.4. Try it. Okay, 0.4. So we have this 3 part, and this part I will just mirror it. First I select this section and let's make the middle section, middle part, middle edge, connect it with the setting, connect, and now I need to make a copy of these 3. And extrude them. Let them go down. Then probably I can just hide this. Object properties, backface settings, okay. And let me select this material and two-sided if it is going to work. This is not for this plan. And now I can just select this and use a Pro Boolean. Compound objects, Pro Boolean, start picking, imprint, and noise removal. isolate mode. Okay, this, it did not cut it. Okay, because this is, okay, this shape has a little problem. Let's fix it. The rectangle shape here. Okay, now so back here and start picking. So convert it to editable poly. Select the part, extra part, and delete them. So now, because especially because the shape of this one is a little bit curvy, I need to select them, probably all of them, not this circle, just this one. Okay, I will also select the circle one. So 3 of them will be selected, and create a shape from linear, hit OK. So I will select the first shape. Actually I need to detach it. Detach it, and this one I will just use the enable it and make it smaller. Point 5 and point 15. Okay, for the circle it should be just okay, let me first finish this one. Again, detach, and with the same setting. I'll look at this setting and I will use the same. Maybe a little bit wider. Sorry, not this. Point 2, and this one also point 2. Okay, we have one small part here and this star shape. So let's make this one first. I will create a plan here. And where is actually? Just let rotate it 90 degree. I don't want to change normal now. And 80 degree. And then segments I will keep, okay, this is 2.3 and this will be 6.5 to cover this place. And so 23 to 65, I guess this is quite much. Let me see the picture. Yes, and we make them half. I will check it to 24 to 2.4 and this to 12 and this to 64 to 32 or 66 to 33. So convert it to editable poly. select all vertices and confirm them. You see, this is the 0, and when I increase it they will be attached. So I hit OK, and because they are not connected, if you see here, they are not connected, so I need to connect them by the weld. The small amount is OK. Now you see how many vertices here, and when I hit OK it will be less, so I know that I did the right job. So select all the edges except this side one. If it will be selected by border, okay. So select all, hold down the Alt and click at the border, and I need to make the shape. Create shape from linear, hit OK. So this shape is selected, shape it OK, and I need to back to here. It can be radial shape, but it is not a radial shape, it is quite a square shape. So just with a small amount such as a 0.0, and this as well, okay. So I'll keep it to 2. Let me isolate. And here or let me make the radial but with a very small side. 0, 1 and 6 I think is okay, and too much, 0, 2. Okay, this is still quite, can be wider. Okay, this is much better than the rectangle. So back it and place it in the right place. Let me isolate these parts and so it is what we have been created. But this has one small problem, and that is the problem of this is that you may need to just bend it a little bit, but I think here we cannot see anything, so is this okay or need? Yes, it needs really. So this plan I know it, I delete this plan, and this one I will keep it here, and let me apply the FFT box and set number to land to the 8, is it? Okay, so this is not this part, 4, and it should be height probably 8. Sorry, this is not 2. Keep it 4 and 8 here, or 10. And this part could be just 2. So I can just move them up. Okay, I think it is okay, the place. So this is what we have here, and a space in here. Let me hide the background picture because it is not very clear. Just focus on this part. So this circle in here, actually it can be this one, same, they are the same, and I can just extrude it. You see the normal is not right, so I will delete it and just use the circle which we have been created before, extrude it, and just one, let it align it to this shape in here. So I'm going to align it here, and I can remove another shape. So this is here, and I need to reduce a star shape such as this one. So I have a star in my shapes, a star which has actually 5 sides. Give it a material with the 5 side and a smooth. Yes, just a smaller size, probably 0.5, 2.2, 0.3. No. I need to reduce this or increase it. Okay, we can just actually scale it, but the fillet is not right. Okay, you can see here, problem is to increase it and reduce until we get the good result. So I need to test it if it can be extruded. Okay, it can be filled, so it doesn't have any problem. So I can just increase it, just scale it, put it in the middle of this sphere, just from left and right. Okay, and just extrude it. And use the boolean, compound object, boolean, and okay, I don't need anything, so just let's isolate it and convert it to editable poly. Middle one a little bit scale down, and the picture, okay. Here I will not create anything for the charger part. So let's move here. This one need a little bit go upper, do not be mixed. So now I will just have this one. I need to attach the other parts. Attach this one, and this one if it is in the right place. Yes, and this one as well. So right now before I just attach this one, I need to make a middle segment for this one too. Convert it to editable poly, and it has already. So now I need to use the symmetry. The symmetry modifier. Just flip it. Now we have been created this object like this. So the bottom part is finished. We just have I think 2 sides to finish all the project.